You see, jacket is one of the wickedest thing a Jamaican womb could have ever birthed. Wanna walk with me? Jacket is not a joke. It's not a meme. It's not a TikTok trend. It's one of the most calculated, soul-cutting, irreversible betrayal a human being can live through. It's a lie wrapped in baby clothes. A betrayal delivered in breast milk. It's the moment when a man, a good man who take care of him child for 5, 10, 15 or 20 years, hear them 3 words and are yours. Are the 5 words, you are not the father. It collapses and crush his spirit. So Jamaica, make we talk some truth. You know that Jamaica have the highest rate of paternity fraud in the entire world? You don't believe me? Alright, check this out. 1 out of every 3 men raising a child in Jamaica might not be the biological father. You think that not damaging? You think that I just oops?